want to have in your life is that I need to be increased. I don't know who's interested in being increased, but what the Lord told me this morning to tell you is that in Moscow we are going to be increased. Amen. Baba, that's what the Lord told me. And that is the parting words the Lord asked me to tell you. And that 21 nuggets of life, use it. Some people are down there because they think of what people are talking about them. What is the problem? Don't listen to anybody. They're just bypassers. Raise up your right hand. My time is almost gone. Father, increase me. I need your increase. Continue to prophesy to your life. In Jesus' name we pray. I prophesy to your life, the Lord will increase every one of us in the name of Jesus. And it shall be well with us. Thank you, Father. In Jesus' name we pray.